How to create an open house QR code. Once in Brokerloop network, click on your photo profile. Then click on Open House. If you previously created QR codes, you will see them here. You can click on them to see the QR code, leads, and delete it from the list. For this example, let's click on Create New. You will see your listings. You can search by address. Once selected your listing, go ahead and hit Next to create an intake form for your open house. By default, name, phone number, and email address is required. Write questions you would like to ask your leads and then click Add. Please note that you need to add a minimum of 4 questions. Here is an example. Once you completed, hit Next. Now, create a survey. Here is an example. You can send a survey after your open house to follow up with your leads. Then click Next. You will see your QR code. You can click on it to see a preview. Once your guests scan the QR code, they will be redirected to a generated landing page based on your questions and listings pictures. You can go back to your QR code and hit Finished.